Effective real estate social media engages your clients both when they're actively buying and selling and in the 80% of the time that they're not. Social media is both a great communication tool and a lead generation machine for real estate businesses. Keep watching for some essential pieces of building your real estate marketing social media strategy. Which platforms? Knowing which social media platforms to use for your real estate business depends on who you want to reach and what you want to post. For real estate specifically, Facebook and Instagram are going to be your go-to applications, but try out all of them to see what works for your business. Facebook is by far the must-have platform for your real estate business to be on. 2.7 billion active users, Facebook is the best place to share your blog posts, new listings, and virtual tours that link directly to your website. Instagram specializes in aesthetically pleasing photos and videos, so make sure you're bringing quality content here. Don't underestimate the use of Instagram stories, which allow you to post interactive polls, surveys, and questionnaires to further engage with your followers and clients. You can even connect it directly to Facebook, automatically posting your real estate content on both major platforms with ease. LinkedIn provides your business with credibility, professionalism, and networking opportunities. This is a great place for posting market trends, success stories, and client testimonials. Twitter is the happy medium between Facebook and Instagram. Thanks to a character limit, Twitter is home to short and effective messaging. TikTok has become one of the biggest and widely used platforms available today. Post vertical videos of your listings and get creative with trending sounds to make your business stand out from the rest. Revamp blog posts. If you already have a real estate blog on your site, you can create effective social posts in no time. Simply recording a video blog based on one you already have written can enhance your real estate marketing strategy. You can share a quote from a piece of previous content in a social graphic and gain traction on Instagram or Twitter. It's important to stay consistent in creating new content, but that doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Linking bits and pieces of your previously written real estate content on social media is an effective and easy way to get traffic to your site and generate more leads. You may be able to create anywhere from 1 to 20 pieces of social media content from a past blog post. Ask yourself, how can I repurpose this piece of content, or what smaller forms of this content would potential home buyers and sellers find interesting? Client success stories. Anytime you successfully close a deal with a client, think of how to best showcase their success story through your social media. Success stories can take a few different forms: a successful home sale or closing story, a video testimonial, quotes from client reviews, and bonus points if you make this a graphic. Client success stories help your current clients feel celebrated and show potential buyers you're the real deal. Remember, you want to celebrate the success story as much as your clients do, so be creative and have fun with this one. Real estate hashtags. Hashtags are a crucial part of any social media strategy. Using the right hashtags can mean the difference between 20 and 200 users seeing your social posts. Make sure to pay attention to other popular real estate posts in your area to know what some of the best real estate hashtags are. Try out different ones to see which ones are most effective for your business's social engagement. Want more tips? Visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.